Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Claude AI is disabled error. All right, let's begin. The Claude AI is disabled error can happen for several reasons. First, start by refreshing the Claude page. Next, disable any VPN or proxy you're using. Claude may block traffic from certain VPNs or data centers. If possible, switch to a different internet connection or test using a mobile hotspot. If the problem continues, check whether Claude is officially available in your country. If your region isn't supported, access to Claude may be restricted. If you're using Claude through a team workspace, Slack, or another organization, ask your administrator to confirm that your account still has access. For users on VS Code or the Claude desktop app, update the extension or try installing an earlier stable version if a recent update introduced the issue. Finally, check the Anthropic status page to see if there's an active service outage. So that's basically how you can fix the Claude AI's disabled error. That's it for this video. Thanks.